Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Meanwhile, in real life with Zoya.
I'm here.
So on this channel, we talk about a lot of things. We talk about skincare, makeup, products, lifestyle, travel. But today we are gonna talk about something really cute. So I love cute things. Okay, I love cute things. I love cute products. I love cute stationery. I love cute clothes. I love cute home decor things and home utility things. So my definition is that everything that's there in the home should be cute. Okay, and everything around me should be cute. So likewise, I do shop from a lot of Nykaa and Myntra. Shop a lot from Nykaa and Myntra products which are cute looking. So of course I don't know how good they are in utility, but I still keep on hoarding things which I find really cute. And so today I thought that let's talk about that. And with cute, there's one more section that we'll cover today, which is luxurious. So of course, if you'll go for a Chanel and a Dior and a Gucci, you'll of course get very luxurious packaging. But I wanted to talk about things which are under rupees 1,000 and are luxurious. Their packaging is luxurious. Of course, we'll also talk about how are they when you use it, like a product review also. But yeah, cute things also with prices. So we'll start with cute. Then there are few which are midway, which are cute as well as luxurious, and then we'll go to luxury. So let's start. First thing. So first thing is this cute lip balm. This is so cute. You see this bow? This is so elegant and cute, right? So these are all the buys that I've done in India. It's either from Myntra, Nykaa, or Amazon. Okay, so this one specifically is from Myntra. Okay, I'll open it, show it to you. So this is the packaging. So packaging is really cute. Okay, I did not like the product though. It was very sasta. It was 120ish, 150ish, something like that. But you see how good the packaging is. It's a clear lip balm. Although on Myntra it was showing that it is some it has a tint or something, but it does not. So it's not a very so the aftertaste is really bad. Smell is really good. It looks cute, but the aftertaste is not nice. I just apply and show. It's like any lip balm, right? So I'll use it. Of course, I'll use it. But will I repurchase it? No. But yeah, I'll definitely keep it on my dressing table so that it looks cute. When I feel when there are cute things around you, you just feel so good, right? That oh, this is so cute and this is so nice. You just feel happy. Like I feel happy. So these are all for my happinesses. So this was one. The taste is really bad after tasting. Second is this cute ghost puff. It is so cute. This is a powder puff. You put your fingers in and then you can use it. This was also 120ish or something, but it's a really waste of product. It is a very bad puff. You see, it can only be used for when you want to apply something, like for makeup artists, when they want to put these, you want to stretch your eye and then do something and stuff like that, can only be used for that, not for applying anything. But it was cute, so I got it. And again, this will go just in the cute category. I also saw a beauty blender which was in strawberry shaped. Okay, by the way, this I got from Nykaa, and that also I saw on Nykaa. But again, I don't think it will be a good beauty blender, so I did not spend on that. But it was cute. It was very cute. So I'll put the link. Okay, coming on to the next product. These are just normal. Special mention to these cute tissues. I have lots of them in different packagings. These are all Miniso. Okay, I think we can now come on to the mid, cute and luxurious. So first is this Laneige lip balm. You see, so there are a lot of Laneige lip balms, but this one especially so cute and so pretty. Like it has 3 different flavors and 3 different things. I think one is one is strawberry shortcake, and one is I think vanilla, and one more. But Laneige sleeping masks are of course very good, so no problem there. It smells amazing. See, it's so good now. I don't want to use it. So this I just as a jugaad I've put it inside because I keep losing these things. The applicator is also so cute. No, I'll just apply this on top of my current one. Amazing smell, and it works really well. It's a very good product. So it is a little above 1000. It was 1100 in the sale, or 1050 when I got it. So a little above 1000, but it's a huge tub. It'll last you for at least 6-7 months, and it looks cute. Like I don't want to use it. It's looking so cute that I don't want to use it. But yeah, so isko I'll again put it back inside the way I did it. Oopsie. Okay, I think I did it here. It just went there later. Yeah. In the cap, and then later when I closed it, it just fell there, which is fine. So this is the third one for the cute category. Then I think we can move towards a little luxurious things. So I think one common mention is for K-beauty products. So these are all very affordable, not very affordable, but in the affordable category, but the packaging is chic, so very cute. These are cute and luxurious, so this is just a special mention. Every product has a different review, but yeah. Then I'm not confused which one to show you. Oh, I'm just saving the best for the last. Oh yeah, this was also K-beauty. Again, see, such cute artwork, such nice palette. You want to use it more kinds. Now I have my 3 products left. Oh, one more. This is also a quick one, okay? These small perfumes. This I got free. I ordered something and I got these free. These are from Tipsy. I got Tipsy Beauty se kuch to I ordered. This is how I got these perfumes free, and these are AM and PM, and these are so cute. So you have this written PM, and this is AM. So they say that you can you should put PM first and then put AM, and then it will last longer. So something like that. Okay. And there are many such more perfumes, and even when I went to Singapore, I'm just trying to think if I can show you that. Wait, I'll be back. Okay, so I'm back. So I was just showing you on perfumes only that when I went to Singapore, so I found a shop where there were miniature perfumes of all the luxury perfumes. So I got this one. Just look at it. It is so cute and luxurious, right? And it smells exactly. It smells exactly like the original one, but a little spilled on me, but it's okay. I think I don't use this perfume at all. I just keep it for the decor, and it looks so cute. I got many actually, smaller ones and even larger ones. There was one that was very cute of Gucci and a few more. So these are just for decoration and not for using. I'm trying to search another one which I found really cute, but I could not find it. Okay, so I could not find the other perfume that I was talking about. I'm also a little worried now where it is. But these were also not very expensive, but yeah, very cute. But I found another thing, which was a quick one. It's a cute hand cream, which I not even opened because I had another one that I was using. But this is also very cute and luxurious. See? This is Singapore, and it comes in a lot of designs. This is vanilla flavor. Very nice. So this also, but yeah, this is again Singapore, so we're not talking about it much. Now coming on to the 3-star products. that were left. I think I'll start with this one. First is this. This is a lip cheek mousse, and it's very pretty and luxurious. So this I got from Amazon, and this was also very sasta, 200 250. The shade came out to be a little light. It's a very light pink, you'll see. So it's very light for the lips, but for the cheeks it's nice. I'll show you. So if I'll just take a little, see on the cheek, my hands are smelling of the perfume that just spilled. Yeah, see, it gives a very natural, nice finish, and I also tried that it's very long lasting. So if you're like on my skin tone, it looks okay, but you can buy as per your skin tone. I'm just using it all for the sake of it. For my lips, it's very light. Like either I put a lip tint and then put it, then it will be fine, otherwise it's not. But yeah, for cheeks it's nice. It gives a very natural flush and it's very long lasting. So this is a good buy, okay, in that less amount. So good purchase on Amazon. If you need any links, you can comment. Next, we come to this. Just look at this. This is so pretty. Let me open it and show you. This is Tipsy Beauty ka blush. It's so pretty. I don't want to use it only. It's so pretty. It is very, very pretty. This was also for some, like in sale, I got it for 600 or something, and I got those perfume set free with this as a gift on Nykaa. It was really nice, and I've used it a bit. It gives you a very nice glow, you see, and it's just very difficult to use. This is the swatch, and yeah, here if I apply, you'll see. It is very pigmented. It's really good and it's really pretty to use. I don't want to use it much, but extremely pretty and a nice decent product. So goodbye again. And for the last one, in a way last one, but I have a special mention too, which I haven't bought, but I want to buy and I'm waiting for a sale to buy it. Next is this. So there's a Bridgerton version, Bridgerton, what do you say, series? The Bridgerton is a series, and usi ka hi, this is Nykaa X Bridgerton, and of course I've opened it, but I'm just too afraid to keep it like that, so I just keep it back in this box. This is the palette. Look at this, and wait, tell me if it doesn't scream luxury. I know you can see everything in the background, but this is luxury. This is luxury. It has a blush, a contour, a few eye shades with shimmers, and these are sparkles, and highlighter, and it's all very nice. Like I've not used anything because again it's too pretty to be used. You see how luxurious it is, right? So a little, if I have to swatch, this is the contour. Wow, it's so pigmented. Like Nykaa products you can never be disappointed with. It does look a little patla from this side. It's very bad contouring, guys. Don't comment on the contouring. I'm just showing you the pigment. But yeah, this is very nice. And even the eye shades are very pigmented. Let's go for a sparkly one. See? Wow. So pretty, no? Let me come a little closer. This is a color changing kind of a thing, and very nice. Like just one swipe is enough and that's all you need. This is of $9.99, and I think $9.99 is on discount, and on discount ये बहुत discount पे नहीं आता, बीच में ये बिल्कुल out of stock हो गया था, and it wasn't available. It's back again in stock, but it's something डिस्काउंट के बाद भी इट कम्स अराउंड 850 or something. एंड इसी का ही ब्रिजिटन सीरीज का इनका वो भी है, एक नेल पेंट है, there's a lipstick has a ring, butterfly ring and all, but I did not buy that because nail paint bhi सूख जाएगा, and then lipsticks I felt I have enough, and then lipstick needs to be, you know, matching your face and all of that, and it's a little expensive, but that's a good product. And I think last one is I'll put a picture here, the Masaba Batua. I went really in love with it. It looks very chic. I've seen it in their stores, in one of their pop-ups. It's very pretty. It's luxurious. You can even carry that bag. It has a bag for some event or something like that. And yeah, it's very pretty. But I have not bought it yet. It's 1300, and abhi Nykaa ke sale pe bhi it came on discount. It was coming around something 1200 ka tha discount ke paas. I was like, should I not? And then I did not buy it, but I'm waiting कि या तो फिर मसाबा की खुद की साइट पे थोड़ा डिस्काउंट है या कहीं और है, and I'll buy it. I've heard good things about the product, that it's good. The lipsticks are also nice, and this was also one reason why I did not buy Nykaa X Bridgerton lipstick, because then it's one of the same things, right? So I'll buy that one, but on sale. And there's one more, this Nykaa lip gloss. This is also 300-ish types, and this has that mirchi. It looks cute and sexy kinds, but yeah, this also I've not bought yet, but if I'll need a gloss sometime, I might buy it. So yeah, I think these were the few cute products that I own and that I've bought just because they looked cute and pretty and luxurious, and most of them are because they looked good, including this I would have never bought. I don't own these kind of full palettes, but I only bought it because it looked pretty. Likewise, this Tipsy blush I would have not bought had it not been so pretty. And even Laneige, I would have been like कि हाँ मेरे पास बहुत सारे lip balms हैं, उससे काम चला लो, but I got it because it's so pretty. So yeah, most of these are bought because they are pretty. So let me know in the comment section, how did you like this, and what are your cute things which you really like to apply and which are near you always when you feel good and pretty. So yeah, these were mine. Please like, share and subscribe. Every like matters, share matters, subscriber matters. And if you have any other thing that you want me to try, you can let me know in the comments, any other video that you want me to make. So yeah, bye bye, thank you.